You found it! It's not the finished product, but you can tell that with a little love, this house can transform into your dream home. But now you're looking at a new purchase and a new project. I'm Teresa with Columbia Credit Union. Let's talk about the renovation loan. One of our most unique mortgage products, the Custom Renovation Loan, allows you to buy and renovate with a single loan based on expected value. That means that your mortgage covers the cost of all your purchase and renovations, all wrapped up into one single loan based on the future value of your home after renovation. There's no need to worry about a line of credit, it's just one easy loan. The renovation loan is just one of a long line of custom mortgage options at Columbia Credit Union. Looking for something else to fit your situation? Reach out to our home loans team today to find a mortgage solution that works best for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and tap the bell to get notifications for new videos in the future. And be sure to follow us on social media.